Everyone, please stay on mute. Everybody is please requested to stay on mute. हर एक बच्चा म्यूट पे रहेगा. आयुष बेटा प्लीज गो ऑन म्यूट. Has someone started screen sharing? आयशा दीदी, can you listen to me? किसी ने screen sharing start किया है क्या? Why can't I see everyone? I'm just leaving the meeting and I'll join again. आयशा दीदी आप continue रखो.
रुक.
आयशा दीदी, you can start the recording. Everybody please stay on mute. दीदी प्लीज एक बार सबको म्यूट पे डाल दीजिए आप. Now listen to me carefully. Didi, you can start the recording also. Now listen to me carefully everyone. आज से हमारी क्लास के नए रूल्स होंगे, नए नॉर्म्स होंगे जो आप सभी अभी ध्यान से सुनोगे. ओके? First and the most important rule from now on is going to be that we will not raise our hands. हम hand raise नहीं करेंगे. We will not raise our hands. Okay? We will always stay on mute. हम हमेशा सारी क्लास में म्यूट पर रहेंगे. कोई भी बच्चा बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. ठीक है? कोई भी बच्चा बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. जिसका दीदी नाम लेते हैं, मैं जिस भी बच्चे का नाम लूं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही बच्चा बोलेगा. ठीक है? सिर्फ वही बच्चा बोलेगा. और उसके बाद जब वो बच्चा बोल रहा होगा, when the child is speaking, all others will just stay on mute and listen to the child mindfully. Right? Nobody will raise hands today. I will tag one person and that person will speak. I will try and make sure that everyone gets a chance. But if you do not get your chance on this class, next class में आपकी chance आएगी. Okay? And use the chat option as frequently as possible. आपको कोई भी जवाब देना है, just in case I've asked a question to like Harsh and Harsh is speaking, simultaneously आप साथ साथ chat option use करके उस पे जवाब अपने लिखते जाओ. समझ आया आपको? आप उस पे आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Okay? So right. Okay. Only the host can share. So जो ये हमारी क्लास है बेटा, our class is about reading comprehension. Who will tell me what they understand from reading comprehension? Okay, I will tag one child and that person will only speak. All others will stay on mute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Pari, stay on mute. Good morning, Pari. And everyone जो भी join हो रहे हैं नए, you can good morning. You can say good morning to me and you can use the chat option और वहाँ पे message करो. Okay? All right. So who will tell me? Pari, beta, you want to speak? What is reading comprehension? Anushka, beta, please stay on mute.
Good morning.
Good morning, Didi.
Good morning, beta. Please stay on mute. Pari, beta, unmute yourself. Okay, it's okay, Pari. It's okay. Pratiksha, beta, you want to try? Pratiksha, unmute yourself. Try and speak. Okay, what do we actually do when we read something? Whenever we are reading a text, we are reading a story, or we are reading a poem, what do we actually do? What is our main objective when we read something? Aisha Didi, please keep everyone on mute once. Okay. What do we actually do when we are reading something? For example, if I've read a story, what is the motive behind reading a story?
म्यूट मतलब आवाज आपको
Okay. मैंने कोई स्टोरी पढ़ी है. If I'm reading a story, what is my motive is that I want to know what happened in the story, right? And when we read, reading comprehension में क्या होता है? Reading comprehension is that you should be able to understand and recall or maybe remember what happened in the text. That is reading comprehension. Whenever we read a story or we are reading a poem, it is important that we are able to understand the events of the story and also remember and recall what happened. If we have read a story, for example, we read Padmini the Princess, and if I ask one child, tell me what happened in the story, you should be able to recall the events, the main events of the story. It is important कि आपको समझ आया हो. वो तभी पता चलता है कि आपको डिटेल्स पता हो कि स्टोरी में क्या हुआ था. Just as okay, that is called a good reading comprehension कि हमने read किया है and we are able to understand also कि क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, किसके साथ हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, right? We read about the plot of the story, क्या हो रहा है story में, what part of the story, then we read about the settings, कहाँ हो रही है, ये सब कुछ हमें समझ आ जाए, उसको हम अच्छे से करने के लिए reading comprehension की class होती है हमारी, right? So now I want you all to write it down in your notebooks. अभी जो दीदी आपको बोल रहे हैं. Aisha Didi, can you please use the whiteboard? You can message me also and tell me.
दीदी
बेटा stay on mute. कौन बोल रहा है? समर्थ. Yes बेटा. Yes बेटा.
इंग्लिश की बुक है.
बुक इंग्लिश की है बेटा, लेकिन अभी आपको सिर्फ अपनी नोटबुक चाहिए. बुक अपने पास रखो. अगर आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो भी कोई बात नहीं. We will sit quietly in the class and understand what is going on. Okay? Everybody, सबने अपनी नोटबुक निकाल ली है, पेंसिल भी. Now we will write there. बेटा नॉर्मल नोटबुक जिस पे आप लिखते हैं. ये आयशा जो शेयर कंटेंट वाला ऑप्शन है ना, वहां पर there will be an option on whiteboard also. Yeah. Can you please write it down here? I understand what I read. Just write it down. ये sentence. I understand what I read. And please इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर देना. Zoom in. Everybody please stay on mute beta and see what is written on the whiteboard. इसको एनलार्ज कर दो. If there is an option of. Can you all see? Okay, it's okay. Thank you, Didi. Everyone, please stay on mute. Thank you, beta. Please stay on mute. Yeah. And just write it down in your notebooks. I understand what I read. मतलब जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ वो मुझे समझ आ रहा है. I understand. 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 What? WHA. What? I read.
Understand.
Please write it down on the chat box if you want to ask something.
एन काटना है अगर एन काटना है कैसे करना है डायरेक्ट डी.
Very good. You can also write it down in the chat books also, chat option also. Just like Shreyas has written now, I understand what I read. Which means I will be able to recall and remember what happened in the story or in the poem or any other text that I read. Didi, can you please put everyone on mute? Thank you.
म्यूट है.
Yeah, mute all. Thank you. Just mention on the chat box when you're done. Agar beta, please stay on mute. अभी no one will speak. अभी हम सिर्फ लिखेंगे नोटबुक्स पे अपनी जिसमें हम नॉर्मली होमवर्क लिखते हैं उसमें हमें बस ये लिखना है I understand what I read. और अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखो और आपने लिख लिया है तो भी चैट ऑप्शन में लिखो डन और शो मी अ थम्स अप. चैट ऑप्शन में लिखो डन और शो मी अ थम्स अप. Aisha Didi, now you can switch off this whiteboard also. Beta, use the chat option, please. Beta, just a second. Just a second. Who is speaking? Please, अपना नाम बताओ.
दीदी लिखना है
बोलो.
क्या?
कौन बोल रहा है? हाँ बेटा लिखना है. मैंने आपको बोला तो था वो नोटबुक पे लिखना है. बेटा प्लीज स्टे ऑन म्यूट. अभी सिर्फ मैं अनुष्का से बात कर रही हूँ ना, बाकी सब बच्चे म्यूट पे रहेंगे. अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप चैट ऑप्शन में लिखो, क्वेश्चन लिख दो वहां पर. यस अनुष्का बेटा. सबने लिख लिया? आई कैन सी इट ऑन द चैट ऑप्शन एज वेल. श्रेयस has written done, Krishna done, Harshita done, Vineet also, Gagi, everyone. Very good. So now you understood what is the meaning of reading comprehension. Who will tell me? Harshita, beta, you want to speak? क्या लिखा है आपने नोटबुक में?
बोलो दीदी नहीं लिख पाए.
दीदी मैं नहीं लिख पाई.
कौन है बेटा?
अनुष्का.
बेटा आपने क्या नहीं लिखा? आपने व्हाइट बोर्ड पर देखा था क्या लिखा था दीदी ने?
हाँ देखा था लेकिन लिखा नहीं.
ओके कोई बात नहीं. अभी आप एक बार दीदी को सुनो. मैं चैट ऑप्शन पर लिख रही हूँ मैंने क्या लिखा था. You can copy it down from there. I understand what I read. You can see it from the chat option and then write. Okay, now Harshita, yes beta, can you please speak what you've written? Is Harshita here? Shreyas? 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 Sure, okay. Saurabh, beta, you want to speak? What you just wrote in the notebook? Saurabh, beta, please unmute yourself. And please just read जो आपने अभी लिखा है.
I understand what I read.
Very good. So we all understand what we read. So now please open your open your textbook English ka page number 12. Everyone stay on mute and please open page number 12. Beta, please stay on mute. What? Just a minute. Page number 12. Yes, कौन बोल रहा है बेटा?
दीदी पेज नंबर कितना है?
बेटा पेज नंबर 12. I have written it on the chat option also, page number 12. Now everybody will stay on mute and we will not raise our hands and we will not speak जब तक दीदी नाम नहीं लेंगे. Okay? Just show me a thumbs up अगर सबने पेज नंबर 12 ओपन कर लिया है जिसमें लिखा है ऊपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पोएम. Very good. Page number 12, it will look something like this, understanding the poem. Okay, very good. So the first question is, I want Krishna to read. First question, complete these sentences in one word each. According to the speaker, first sentence क्या है? And everybody will keep on doing what I ask you to do. जिसको आंसर आता है वो चैट ऑप्शन में लिखोगे. Yes, Krishna, beta, speak the first sentence.
According to the skipper.
आगे first sentence.
World is round.
The world is dash dash and dash. The world is round. आगे दो और ऑप्शन है, आप इसको लिखो. क्या है आंसर कृष्णा? द वर्ल्ड इज क्या है? अब हमें इसके आंसर्स, क्योंकि ये टेक्स्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड है, तो इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देखने के लिए क्या बेटा चैट पे देखो. दीदी ने चैट ऑप्शन पे लिखा था. सो हम पेज नंबर 12 पेज नंबर 12 हम इसको पोएम में जाके दोबारा देखेंगे क्या आंसर है इसका. जिसको आता है राइट इट डाउन इन द चैट ऑप्शन एंड कृष्णा विल स्पीक व्हाट इज द आंसर. द वर्ल्ड इज, कृष्णा ओपन द पोएम. सभी बच्चे ऑल्सो ओपन द पोएम अगेन, इससे पहले वाला पेज, और पढ़ो द वर्ल्ड. कौन बोल रहा है? बेटा एवरीवन विल प्लीज स्टे ऑन म्यूट. आज हमारी क्लास के नॉर्म्स ये थे ना कि वी विल नॉट रेज आवर हैंड्स एंड वी विल नॉट स्पीक इन बिटवीन. मैं जिसका नाम लूंगी सिर्फ वही बोलेगा. यस बेटा कृष्णा, प्लीज स्पीक. फर्स्ट का क्या आएगा? द वर्ल्ड इज यस, वेरी गुड. ये हमें कैसे पता चला? जब हमने पोएम में फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देखा. From there we came to know that what the speaker is trying to say about this world is that the world is round, the world is deep, and the world is cool. Okay. Now second sentence, Samarth. Beta, read the second sentence, Samarth. Unmute yourself. And others can also write on the chat option. Keep writing on the chat option and also keep writing it down in your notebooks. Yes, Samarth, beta, unmute yourself.
The bottom of the world is up.
Now go back to your poem.
Go to poem.
इससे पहले वाला
Poem
page. Now read. क्या कहाँ से आपको पता चलेगा? What is? How is the bottom of the world? How does it look like? I can see the kids are writing on the chat option also. Very good. Yes, Samarth. Beta, unmute yourself. You're on mute.
The bottom of the. This is second question.
Yes, beta, second question. Write your answer on the chat option. Only Samarth will speak.
What is the pool?
Yes, very good. The bottom of the world is a pool. Very good, Samarth. Now third. Samarth, go on mute, beta. The walls of the world. Harsh, beta, read the third sentence.
The of the world are made of.
Yes. Go back to your poem and try to find out the answer. And just let Didi also know. Unmute yourself first and tell me the answer of this question. Third, the walls of the world are made of. All others can use the chat option. Beta, read carefully, Harsh. Beta, it's there only. It's inside the poem only, the answer. Beta, read the fourth line. The walls of the world are of stone on stone, right? Walls of the world, yes. Stone on stone, right? Very good, Harsh. You can also write it down now, the answer in your notebook only. It says, the frog says, the walls of the world are of stone on stone, क्योंकि he is living in a well. और कुएं में क्या होता है? The walls of the well are made of stone. वो ईंट के ऊपर ईंट होती है ना, वो बता रहा है. Now the fourth sentence, Pratiksha. Pratiksha, is Pratiksha here? No, Pratiksha is. Vineet, read the fourth sentence. Quickly. जल्दी से finish करेंगे. Vineet, read the fourth sentence. The sky.
The sky is around and deep.
The sky is dash and dash. Go back to the poem.
The sky is stone and stone.
The sky is round. It's written on the last, बिल्कुल last में लिखा. I can see a star in a little round sky. So the sky is little and round. Now beta, see, try and understand कि what the frog is looking above. क्योंकि he is in a well. तो well round है, तो well round है तो उसको उतना ही sky नजर आ रहा है. And for the frog, the sky is little and the sky is round. Okay, Vineet, you understood, beta? And everyone also? So the sky is little and round. Read the last sentence of the poem. I can see a star. मैं एक star को देख सकता हूँ कहाँ? In a little round sky. तो वो adjective हो गया ना? Yeah, little round sky.
दीदी
Now, yes बेटा, कौन बोल रहा है?
4 का आंसर कौन
कौन
सा
बोल
है?
रहा है बेटा? कौन बोल रहा है? पहले नाम बोलो अपना.
यशस्वी.
Little and round. Last sentence पढ़ो अपनी poem का. Little and round. Okay. Now we reach to the B part. Quickly we'll finish this. Gargi. Beta, answer these questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question is, who is the speaker and how do you know? Gargi, beta, unmute yourself. Yes, Gargi, who is the speaker of the poem? कौन बोल रहा है ये पोएम में? कौन बता रहा है हमें पोएम?
Rock.
Yes. And how did we come to know that frog is the speaker? Last sentence में it's written I. I use हुआ है. And we know it is about, the poem is about the frog. Right? So the speaker is frog. And how do you know? Last sentence पढ़ के. Now, where is the speaker? Now, who will tell me? Ankita. Yes, beta. Where is the speaker and which lines in the poem tell you that? Where is the speaker? Beta, unmute yourself. Keep writing on the chat box. Keep writing on the chat box. Ankita, beta, unmute yourself. Where is the speaker, beta? Ankita?
I know.
Ankita, what did you say, beta? If we don't know, we'll just say that, Didi, I don't know. It's okay. Ishwari, beta, I want you to try. It's okay, Ankita. Ishwari, yes. Where is the speaker and which lines tell you that? Unmute yourself, Ishwari. Everybody else will stay on mute. Only Ishwari will speak now. Yes, beta, Ishwari. Where is the speaker? मतलब speaker कहाँ है अभी? Well, speaker is in the well. Yes. And how do you know which lines tell us that? Come back to the poem. दोबारा से poem खोलो. Actually, इसके बारे में हमें बहुत सारी lines से पता चलता है. There are so many lines which are the evidence of this, that the speaker is in the well. Just like the well, it is round and deep and cool. And also the line, the walls of the world are of stone on stone. ये दो lines से हमें majorly पता चलता है. These lines majorly tell us that the walls of the world are on stone and the speaker is right now in the well. Okay? What does the speaker think about the world and why? Huzefa. Question number 3 of B. What does the speaker think about the world and why? Keep writing on the chat. Huzefa, yes, beta. What does the speaker think about the world? I think his screen froze. Yes, Huzefa, you want to try?
Yes.
Yes, bolo.
What? क्या हुआ है? क्या पूछे?
What does
World
the
of
speaker
now.
think about the world? स्पीकर को उसके वर्ल्ड के बारे में क्या लगता है? उसका वर्ल्ड कैसा है?
Round.
Round and little. So the speaker thinks that my world is little and my world is round and deep and cool.
Typing करने नहीं
Okay.
जब बोल दे. Okay, come दिखा.
And why? Why does the speaker think that? Speaker को ऐसा क्यों लगता है that the world is round? Because the speaker is in the well, right? The frog is in the well. So उसके लिए जो वो देख पा रहा है, what he is able to see, for him the world is round, right? Okay. So the speaker thinks the world is little and round and deep and cool, and the reason is because he is in the well, and this is what he is able to see. Whenever we are asked such questions, अगर हमसे कभी भी ये question पूछे जाते हैं, what does the speaker think and how is the speaker's world? हमें ये सोचना है कि अगर मैं frog हूँ और मैं उस well में हूँ, तो मुझे world कैसा नजर आएगा? How will the world look like to me? Right? We have to think according to the frog. क्योंकि if we see our world, beta, please stay on mute, everyone. Now the next question. Aisha Didi, please put everyone on mute. Mute. Yeah. Now the fourth question. Shreyas, beta, read the fourth question.
Is the speaker sure she is right? Why do you think so?
Yes. Now आप आंसर बताओ इसका, श्रेयस. आपको क्या लगता है? Is the speaker sure? Is he confident about what he is saying? Just try. Shreyas, what do you think? Yes or no? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Speaker is actually very sure of the fact that whatever he thinks about the world, वो ही सही है. How come? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें कहीं भी कोई डाउट वाला जो वर्ड होता है वो नहीं नजर आया है. बहुत surely the speaker is saying that the world is this and this. For me, my world is this only. So the speaker is sure that the world looks like this. Okay. So now look at the last question. The frog thinks, going further, look at the last question. जो बीच वाला question है rhyming words वाला, वो हम बाद में करेंगे जब हम rhyming words के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Look at the last question. Just a second. The last question is, the frog thinks that the world is a small place. It is a well. What would you tell the frog? So frog thinks that the world is a small place and he is staying in this well. लेकिन आप frog को क्या बताओगे? Just for example, if I tell you all कि my world is this, I am in this room and the room has 4 walls and there is a cupboard and there is a bed and there is a table. तो इसका मतलब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ मेरा वर्ल्ड कैसा है. How is my world? तो आप अपने वर्ल्ड के बारे में बताओगे. तो आप फ्रॉग को क्या बताना चाहते हो? If the frog thinks that the world is deep and round and cool, how will you tell कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा है? Very good. So many kids are answering on the chat option. I am so proud of you all today. What will you tell? So many kids have written that we will tell the frog that the world is so big. Very good, Krishna. That the world is not only little and round. The world is big. क्योंकि जिस वर्ल्ड में हम देख रहे हैं, जिस नजर से हम वर्ल्ड को देख रहे हैं, from where I am looking, for me, the world is big. I live in this big city called Mumbai, and there are so many people here, and it is not round and deep and cool, right? So this is where we understand how the frog was seeing his world and how we see our world. So इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आज आपको क्या करना है? आपको लिखना है. इसको आपको मुझे भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you want, you can personally send it to me. No need to send it on the group. Just personally send it to me. You have to draw your world. Okay? हम draw करेंगे कि हमारा world कैसा है. Frog का world तो एक well है. My world कैसा है? Just as Shreyas has mentioned that my world is my house. ऐसे ही आपके लिए आपका वर्ल्ड कैसा है, आप उसकी ड्राइंग बनाओगे. यू विल ड्रॉ दैट एंड यू विल सेंड इट टू मी पर्सनली.
दीदी कौन से पे लिखना है?
नॉर्मल नोटबुक जिस पे भी आप रोज होमवर्क लिखते हो, किसी पे भी आपको सिर्फ ड्रॉ करके बताना है. आपको ड्राइंग करनी है. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट एनीथिंग. You just have to write that I will tell the frog that my world is, and then you will draw. I'm mentioning on the chat option जो आपको लिखना है. Everybody look on the chat option. Everyone please stay on mute. Yes बेटा. बेटा अपना नाम बोलो, कौन बोल रहा है?
दीदी.
Yes बेटा.
आप ड्राइंग बुक में करना है क्या?
हाँ, you can also draw it in the drawing book also, or maybe in your normal notebook also. It doesn't matter. And you have to complete these questions also. The blanks wale you completed in the notebook only. Okay? And just draw this. And upar you have to write what Didi has written on the chat option. I will tell the, sorry, it's not I will tell the world. Sorry, you will write I will tell the frog. I will tell the frog that my world is, sorry, yes. So we all understood what our homework is for today. Now we'll take the questions. Anyone, if you have any question, mention on the chat box. Didi, I want